Hey, how's it going, everyone? Welcome back to PitaChew. All right, you guys, I'm hungry. Starving? Not quite starving. Anyhow, so we got some Beyond Burgers. So this is the patty that comes already formed. So what I did was I flattened it out more, so it kind of looked kind of like a Big Mac type. But anyhow, that's what we got going on. And of course, we have some fish. All right, you guys, but first let's lubricate the throat. Okay. Here we go. Look at that. I got some sweet onion. Go ahead, take a bite. Oh, and avocado. Avocado. Ooh. See? Yeah. So creamy. Thanks to the avocado. I forgot I added avocado to this. But look at that. Look at all that goodness. Oh yeah. Okay. One thing I want to make, I need to look it up. I'm pretty sure you can veganize it too. It's the Big Macs. Yeah, I'm gonna find a recipe for. I think the sauce. I think the sauce is Thousand Island. I'm not too sure. Oh. Coming through fish. So, I do you have any tartar sauce? I'm gonna be using ranch today. Look at that. Excuse me. So good. You know what I haven't had for a while? Tacos. And you make some tacos. Who is texting me? Oh. Move fish. Look at this one. Look how different it looks. I think I'm gonna start flattening my Beyond Meat patties. That way it fills out the buns, because you know how the buns are huge. Oh, it's dripping everywhere. Because I'm also out of French fries. Gotta get some more from Costco. Man, that was good. Man. Whew. Excuse me. All right, that was good. That was a very quick, simple meal from the looks of it. But it was quite hectic preparing that food, or the meal, should I say. Oh, you know, one thing that I need to start doing is ordering some food through Amazon, because I know there's some other food that I really want to try that we cannot get over here. So I think I'm going to do that. I think I'm going to go to Amazon and search for some unique dishes and order it. Anyhow, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget, give this video a thumbs up. All right, you guys. Don't forget, subscribe. Click on that bell so that you can get notified when I upload a new video. Till next time, I'll see you guys tomorrow. You can go. Bye.